Which laser bore sighter actually works? Simple question, but the answer isn't so obvious. There are dozens of options, all claiming to save you time and ammo, but most don't tell you the real differences that matter. Today, we're cutting through the noise. Product number 1, EZ-Shoot 16PC Adapter Kit. First up is the EZ-Shoot 16-piece adapter and screw set for bore sighters. This isn't a full laser unit, it's a replacement part kit designed to fit .17 to 12 gauge calibers. Priced at just $8.98, it caught my eye because it solves a real frustration: broken or missing adapters that force you to buy a whole new bore sight. If you already own a green or red laser bore sighter and just need spare parts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of dropping $30.50 on a new kit, you can replace just the worn-out adapters and screws for less than $10. The set includes 16 adapters, screws, and an arbor, all made of lightweight but sturdy plastic. It's compatible with rifles, shotguns, and handguns, and uses a dovetail mount system. Over 50 people bought this in the past month, which shows there's real demand for affordable replacements. Now, some people might complain about the plastic material feeling cheap. And honestly, it's not metal, so if you're rough with your gear or need something for heavy field use, this might not last. But here's the thing: for occasional use or as a backup, it's more than durable enough. And at this price, even if it breaks in a year, replacing it still costs less than one new bore sight. This is perfect for you if you already have a bore sighter and just need reliable, affordable spares. Skip this one if you're starting from scratch and need a full laser unit. For the price, it's an absolute steal for what it delivers. Product number 2, Goedical 6.5 Creedmoor Laser Bore Sighter. Next is the Goedical Red Laser Bore Sighter, made specifically for 6.5 Creedmoor cartridges. This one's built for precision shooters who want fast, accurate zeroing without wasting rounds. With no listed price but strong sales, over 100 bought recently, it's clearly popular among hunters and long-range enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The red laser operates at a 635-655 nm wavelength and puts out less than 5 MW, making it Class IIIA safe while still bright enough to see at 15 to 100 yards. That means you can zero your scope quickly at the range without firing a single live round. The aluminum body is lightweight at just 0.02 pounds, and it drops right into your chamber like a dummy round. Goedical designed this to be far more precise than eyeballing your iron sights, saving you ammo and frustration. Now, some people might be turned off by the lack of a listed price or detailed battery info. And honestly, that's a real downside. You don't know what you're paying until you click buy. Also, it only comes with one set of batteries, so runtime is limited. But here's the thing: for a dedicated 6.5 Creedmoor shooter, the fit and accuracy are spot on. And since it's cartridge specific, there's no guessing or adapter swapping. This is perfect for you if you own a 6.5 Creedmoor rifle and want a no-fuss drop-in bore sighter. Skip this one if you shoot multiple calibers and need versatility. Even without a clear price tag, its precision makes it a strong contender. Product number 3, Goedical .300 BLK Bore Sighter. Now, if the previous Goedical model was caliber specific, this .300 blackout version takes it a step further with extra batteries and solid brass construction. The Goedical 300 BLK bore sight is built for YAR-style rifles and handguns chambered in 7.62x35. With over 100 sold in the past month, it's a favorite among tactical shooters. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes 6 AG3 batteries, 2 full sets, giving you up to 1.5 hours of runtime. That's huge if you're doing multiple sight-ins or teaching someone at the range. The brass body is sturdy and resists deformation, which keeps the laser-aligned shot after shot. The snakehead mounting style ensures it sits tight in the bore without wobbling. Now, some people complained about the batteries draining faster than expected. And honestly, AG3 cells aren't the most common, so finding replacements might be tricky. Also, it's not compatible with other calibers, so you'll need a separate unit if you shoot multiple guns. This is perfect for you if you shoot .300 blackout rifles or pistols and want a durable, long-lasting bore sighter. Skip this one if you need multi-caliber support. For dedicated users, it's a reliable workhorse. Product number 4, Goedical Crossbow Laser Bore Sighter. Alright, that was a solid option for rifles. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for crossbow users, the Goedical Archery Crossbow Bow Arrow Red Laser Sighting Tool. This one's built for crossbows, not firearms, and it's designed to help you zero your scope before ever firing a bolt. With 100 plus sold recently, it's clear crossbow hunters are looking for this kind of precision. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike firearm bore sighters, this mounts directly to your crossbow's rail or bow mount, projecting a red laser downrange so you can align your scope with where the bolt will land. It's made of precision aluminum, runs on standard batteries, and uses a 5MW class IIIA laser. The beam is bright enough to see at typical hunting distances, helping you save bolts and time during setup. Now some people might be confused by the setup. Placing batteries in a double-ended cap isn't the most intuitive design. And honestly, the instructions could be clearer. Also, it's not compatible with all crossbow models, so you'll need to check fitment. But here's the thing, for crossbow shooters, there aren't many dedicated bore sighters out there. This fills a real gap. This is perfect for you if you own a crossbow and want to zero your scope quickly and accurately. Skip this one if you only shoot firearms. It's niche, but for the right user, it's a game changer. Product number 5, VANTARA Multi-Caliber Bore Sighter. Finally, we have the VANTARA bore sighting laser, which supports .223, 5.56, .243, and .308 Win all in one unit. This gold-finished brass bore sighter is built for versatility, and with 50 plus sold recently, it's gaining traction among multi-gun owners. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Instead of buying separate units for each rifle, this one covers 4 popular chamberings. It uses a bright red laser 5MW class IIIA visible from 15 to 100 yards, and the brass construction ensures it won't warp or bend. It comes with 6 batteries, 2 sets, giving you over 1.5 hours of use. At just 18 grams, it's lightweight but feels solid in hand. Now some people might worry about fit. Since it's not cartridge specific, it relies on proper chambering to stay centered. And honestly, if your chamber is dirty or oversized, the laser might not align perfectly. Also, it doesn't include adapters for smaller calibers like .22 LR. But here's the thing. For clean chambers and common centerfire rifles, it works reliably and saves you from juggling multiple tools. This is perfect for you if you own multiple rifles in .223, 5.56, .243, or .308 and want one bore sighter that does it all. Skip this one if you need ultra-precise, drop-in cartridge-style alignment. For general use, it's a smart, cost-effective choice. So which one should you pick? If you just need spare parts, go with EZ Shoot. For 6.5 Creedmoor precision, Goedical's dedicated unit wins. The .300 BLK version adds extra batteries and brass durability. Crossbow users, Goedical's archery tool is your best bet. And if you shoot multiple calibers, VANTARA's multi-fit model offers great value. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems. Just pick the one that matches your setup.